What is going on, my WWE champions of the world? Welcome back to the channel. I have another prank video for you guys. We were doing that WWE lyric prank, and I was going to do it to my brother, but I know that he will know that it's a WWE song, so I was like, you know what, let me do it to one of his friends, and let's do it to his friend, Jackson. So Jackson is going to get It's a New Day. Yes, it is. We're going to give him the power of positivity. I hope he ate his bootios this morning. I know I did. Let's do it.
It's a new day. Yes, it is. Now the moment is here. Get rid of your fears. No time for the tears, because we gon' make it. The future is ours, cause we got the power in the palm of our hand. Given the chance, you know. Take it.
Give me something to work with, Jackson. He's probably calling my brother right now, and he's like, yo, your sister's texting me, and she's crazy. Don't forget to drop an elbow on that subscribe button and that like button for future videos, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, champs.